Welcome guys in this new video. Here I want to show you on how to join in AELF Union. Okay, we'll see on how to set up MetaMask, on how to create an account, how to make a deposit, and how to put our deposit on stake. Okay, and we will see the difference between the two options of stake that we have. To know, if you don't know what it is AELF Union, what it is AELF, I want to just quickly show something, because if you go on our YouTube channel, you will find already some video that we're talking about the presentation of AELF Union. I suggest you to join in our chat Telegram, because here we share our update, the news, something else. Okay, so of course you will find all the link below this video. Let's go back here. Let's check a little bit quickly what it is AELF. AELF is a new ecosystem. Is a new ecosystem who they want to grow with gaming in a Web3 and other stuff. But I don't want to waste my time and your time here talking about what it is AELF Union. Again, go on our YouTube channel. I want to just show the official tweet, sorry, the official post on X, on the new platform, where AELF says that AELF Union is an official partner, is because they create a node, they launch their node on ELF blockchain. Okay, so what they do, AELF Union, they give us the opportunity to make the 0.8% per day on rewards. The rewards that they share with us, and they split in 80% of ELF and 20% of ELF. If you go on CoinMarketCap, you can find the AELF coin. They launched the project 5 years ago, almost 5 years ago, in December 2018. So, of course, the price is going down like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. And that's it. Again, please go on our YouTube channel and check this video, okay? Let's jump in this amazing platform. If you want to join in this platform and you want to invest with us, you have to use our code. It's important to use a code because they require a code. It's an invitation code, okay? Without any kind of code, you can join in this platform. So the first thing that you have to do is open your MetaMask. So after you open your MetaMask, you have to choose your Binance Smart Chain. If you don't have it, you can set through your MetaMask or ask on our chat Telegram, okay? After that, I suggest you to open a new wallet. I wanna to call Union, okay, to make sure that use that wallet only for this platform. It's important for your safety and make your wallet in a safe place. And what you have to do, I'm going to refresh this page. You will find again all the links that you need is above below, sorry, this video. Above, maybe if you watch it on Facebook. Click here on open a new account, MetaMask, connect your wallet. You have to just see me that we are going to join. So you have to put our invitation code. Is HKXMNQ70. Put your name. I will put MetaCube Peter. Okay, confirm the transaction. And that's it, we are here. So now we are going to see the difference between the staking pool that we are liquidity protocol and wave leverage protocol plus. What is the difference? If for any kind of reason that I can agree with you, maybe you want to just try this platform, you want to just see how it works or whatever, and you don't want to take a lot of risk, like so much risk, you want to just do it for 1 day, I suggest you to stake your deposit here. Why? Because you will receive, of course, the 0.8%. No, sorry, here you will receive the 0.5% per day, but you can withdraw it in any month, okay, when you want. The other staking pool is this one, the Wave Leverage Protocol Plus, and the difference is here you can stake your deposit, you can make the 0.8% daily, but you have to stake your deposit for 10 days. After 10 days, you can restake again your deposit for another 9 times. Means any times is 10 days, okay? So in total is 100 days, okay? And you can make every day the 0.8%. Again, as I said before, you will receive the 80% in ERFU, okay, this coin, and the 20% in ERF. Okay, this is the price. You can check the price. When you receive your commission, you can go in your asset and you can swap the amount that you receive, your rewards. Okay, but now in this video, we're gonna go straight to make the deposit and do the stake. We choose this kind of pool because we believe in the project. You do have to do your research, your own research. If you like it, you can do the same things that we do, or you can just try for 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, I don't know, and you can make the deposit and the stake here, okay, in the liquidity pool. So the first thing that we have to do is go in our order, or sorry, no, our asset, and we go to decide which coin we have to deposit. I suggest, of course, USDT, and I suggest you to choose the smart chain. Okay, the network smart chain is the BEP20. I choose that because I wanna use my Binance. If you have another exchange, or if you have your money here into the MetaMask, you can use MetaMask. Just click here and use your MetaMask. If not, don't worry, because you have to just do the transaction that you used to do when you transfer crypto between an exchange to another exchange or another platform. Okay, and now we go through this step. Okay, so I'm going to copy this wallet, and then I go through my.
So now, if you don't have the $100 or whatever your money that you want to deposit in this amazing project, if you don't have it in your wallet MetaMask, we can just use another exchange, or we can use the exchange to send the money from our exchange to the MetaMask and then do the transaction, the deposit. Okay, doesn't matter. You can choose like whatever is better for you. So I'm going to send my $100 here in this platform using the wallet. Okay, so I'm going to copy this address. Make sure again to choose which coin you wanna send to this deposit, and I prefer using, of course, USDT because it's a stable coin, and I'm going to use BEP20 like a network because it's cheaper and it's faster. So let's continue. I'm copying again this address, and then now I'm going through my Binance exchange. You can use Bybit, Binance, Coinbase, whatever. I will leave some link here to join on Bybit, especially. Okay, especially if you are in Europe now. Right now, Binance has some use with the deposit in euros. So if you want to use Bybit, is better. Okay, for now. Okay, now I'm going to withdraw my $100. I already copied, and now I'm going to paste my address here. Select the network, BEP 20. We're going to pay 29 cents. Yes, I'm sure. I don't know what is it in Italian, but anyway. And now I'm going to put $100.29 because I need to add the fees, no? Okay. I'm going to withdraw. I don't know why it's in Italian, but it's okay. Confirm. Now I'm going to put my security code and okay, so after that we go back to our platform and we have to just wait a little bit and then we will see our deposit here. Okay, just I'm going to refresh the page, but it'll take just 3, 4, max 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. That's it. Now we have our 100 USDT in AELF Union. Okay, what we are going to do? So we are going here back on the home page, and then we have to choose which staking pool we want to use. Okay, I said before that I'm going to stake my $100 here in the Leverage Protocol Plus, and we have to set up our password, of course. So I set up my password. Remember, just 6 digital number. Okay, submit. And now we are going to choose stake now. The tail payments, we choose USDT. All. Confirm our password. That's it. View order. We just put our $100 USDT. Sorry, I mean it's $100 because it's of course a stable coin 1-1, and that's it. We have a Wave Leverage Protocol Plus active. Okay, that's it. This is our stake. We can see our details and other stuff. Okay, so we go back home here. You can see right now today is October 7th, and the price of ELFU is 0.02513, and just in the last 24 hours it goes up of almost 70%. Okay, every day is going up, and then we can swap our rewards and whatever. Okay, but I will record some video, some update video in the next few days to see what happened just investing $100, because this is our goal now in this video, just to show you that with a minimum amount you can make some profit. Of course, if you want to share the project, if you want to share and make more money, and of course not just to make more money, but is to give other people the same opportunity. Okay, you have to go to your profile and then copy the link and the code that the people have to use. Okay, it's very easy. So see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit the like button, and that's it. See you in the next video, and I wish you to make a lot of money. Bye guys.